Find the first and second derivative of f of x equals 2 over x cubed plus 5 over x. All right, now in order to find the derivative of this function, we can use a limit approach, which of course we don't really want to use, right? So, now we've learned other methods, or I guess shortcuts, I guess, that we can use in order to find derivatives easier, right? And the first one is of course the power rule, right? If f of x is equal to x to the n power, then the derivative, right, then we can just bring this guy down, bring down the power, and then we'll subtract it by 1. And that is the derivative of a polynomial function here. And in this case, there's 2 of them, so we'll just use the sum rule, right? We can actually just take the derivative of each of these separately. So let's rewrite this, right? F of x, I'm going to rewrite that as 2x to the negative third power plus 5x to the negative first power. And so to find the first derivative, we'll just use the power rule, right? We'll bring down the power and subtract it by 1. So here we get what? Negative 6x to the negative fourth power. And then here, multiply that, so we get negative 5x to the negative second power. And here we go. This is it, right? This is the first derivative. Look how easy that was, right? We don't have to use the limit definition to find the derivative. And from here, we should be able to just go straight into the second derivative, right? We'll just use the power rule again. We'll multiply these out, so we get 24x to the negative fifth power. This becomes plus 10x to the negative third power. Okay, now, technically, if you leave your answer like this, that's fine, but, writing it without negative exponents, which we should do, right? We get negative 6 over x to the fourth minus 5 over x squared, right? And then for this one, we'll get 24 over x to the fifth power plus 10 over x to the third power.